Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I make DIY decor. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make 5 easy paper flowers using basic craft supplies. These are perfect for home decor and gifting. I'll be sharing some tips. The first paper flower we'll be making are paper tulips. To make this, we'll need crepe paper. Fold it as shown and cut it into 3 pieces, each for 1 petal, 3 small petals and 3 long petals. Take this piece, place your thumb as shown, and now pinch the edge of the shape and then twist it, turn it around, bring it back inside, and using your thumb, push it inside as shown. Apply a little glue and push it inside using your thumb. Now repeat the same process on the other side too. Use your thumb to make it hollow. Keep pressing it, and that's it. We have our first petal. Make 3 of these in total, 3 small petals. For the bigger petal, the process is exactly the same. Instead of here, place your thumb here now and then repeat the same steps. Make 3 of these in total. We use the same size of paper. Can you see the difference? To make the stem, I'll be using bamboo skewer. Take a tissue paper, crumple it, turn it into a ball and glue this on the stick. Cover it with a pink crepe paper. Now it's time to glue our petals. First, we'll be gluing the smaller ones right next to one another, and once we're done, adjust it a little as shown. We'll move on to our bigger petals. Place them here in between these 2 petals and repeat the same process, and that's it. I'll be covering the stick with a green crepe paper. I'll be using the same crepe paper to make the leaves too. Take a piece of paper, fold it in half and cut it in the shape of a leaf and stick it as shown. Our paper tulip is now ready. Make as many as you want using different colors. These are perfect for home decor. If you're a content creator, you can use it as a background prop. Even I'm using it. We'll be making paper lavender. For this, I'll be using color paper. You can use normal paper and paint it purple. Fold it as shown. Observe carefully. Don't cut on this side. Make the cuts here. Once you're done, open it. Fold it as shown. Apply the glue. Don't apply it on the edge. Apply it a little above. Now fold it and push it a little. Can you see these? If you apply the glue on the edge, you won't get these. Now apply the glue on the edge. Turn it around. Place it slightly like this. For this time, I'm using the same bamboo stick. Keep rotating this angle, not straight. It'll be easier for you to rotate. And that's it. Now for the leaf, we'll be using green paper. Repeat the same process, making the cuts, gluing, folding it around. And once we are done, we'll glue this on the stick right here. Rotate, and that's it. Once you're done, we'll need to cover the rest of the stem. I'm using green color paper. Our paper lavender is now ready. I made a bunch of these and turned it into a bouquet. Moving on to our next paper flower. We'll now make paper lily. I'm using a normal A4 paper for this. Follow the measurements and fold it as shown. We need to fold it 3 times. Observe carefully. On this end, I'm going to draw and then cut it. We finished the cut here. Going to draw, cut it like this, like a petal. Open it up. We now have a flower. Now carefully cut 1 petal. On the petal right next to it, mark as shown and cut. This is done so that you can easily fold. It'll be easier to glue here. Make small cuts like these so that the petals are separate. First, let's paint the flower. I'm using light and dark pink. Once you're done painting, use pencil and give it shape. As you can see, they're a little curved now. We'll glue this and our lily is almost ready. As for the stem, I'm using bamboo stick again. You can use any paper. I'm using a white crepe paper. Just cover the top of the stem. I'm using a yellow color paper. I'm painting the top of it with red and black. Now cut it using your fingers, twist it and you'll have something like this. Glue this around the top of the stem. You'll have something like this. Now take the lily, turn it around, make a small hole, small enough to fit the bamboo stick. And that's it. We'll cover the stem using green crepe paper. Our paper lily is now ready. Moving on to our next flower. Next we'll be making Calla Lilly. I'm using crepe paper. Now cut it at the middle. Turn one around and glue it as shown. Once you've glued it around here, make the cut as shown. To give it a shape, cut as following. Repeat this on the other side too. For the stem, I'm again using bamboo stick. And I'll be covering the top of it using white crepe paper as shown. Once we are done with this, turn it around and using the pencil, give it shape. Apply glue here. Now take the stem, place it at the middle and fold this. Apply a little more glue here and fold it to give it a more natural look. Using your thumb, push it a little inward, then outward. We'll be covering the stem with green crepe paper. And that's it. It's perfect for decoration. Moving on to our last paper flower. We'll be making paper daisy. I'm using white crepe paper. Cut around 12 to 15 of these small sheets, each for one petal. Take one piece and cut it in the shape of a petal as shown. Once you're done cutting all the petals, let's move on. I'm using purple crepe paper. Make small cuts as shown. Take a bamboo stick, cover the top of it with this. Give the petals a little shape. Glue them next to each other. Once you're done with the first layer, glue the second round of petals. We'll be covering the stem with green crepe paper. Paper daisy is ready. These paper flowers are super easy to make. You just need basic craft supplies. They look so beautiful and aesthetic. It's perfect for decorating your home or use as a background prop. Perfect for gifting too. It's budget friendly. Save these paper flower tutorial video and try it for your next handmade gift for your loved ones. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY decor, art, crafts and everything cute. Thank you for watching the video. That's it for today. Have a great weekend. Bye.